First, mix 3 tablespoons of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of water in a bowl. Baking soda is a mild alkali. It's a soluble salt capable of removing dirt, grease, and stains. Stir thoroughly until you create a thick paste. Next, cover your dirty gold jewelry with a thick baking soda paste using a cotton swab. It's best to apply the paste on your entire jewelry, especially if it's very dirty, stained, or tarnished. Now put your jewelry in a glass bowl filled with distilled white vinegar. Vinegar is so acidic that it's powerful enough to remove dirt buildups and kill bacteria. If you don't have distilled white vinegar, apple cider vinegar is an excellent substitute. Be sure to dilute apple cider vinegar with water. After 5 minutes, thoroughly wash your jewelry with warm water. Rub your gold with your fingers only. Avoid using a toothbrush as the baking soda and vinegar mixture may cause hairline scratches if you use a brush. Now dry it with a soft, clean cloth. You may repeat the process if there are stubborn, dirty spots on the heavily soiled jewelry. And that's it. This cleaning method works best for gold jewelry without fragile gemstones. Go get a bottle of vinegar and some baking soda from your cupboard to make your gold jewelry shine like new.